Hi everyone, welcome to this episode 1 of our unboxing video of the Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced. Let's take a look what's in this box. So, first things first, you get your aircraft, the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise. This is what it looks like, a typical DJI Mavic. And then what else is in the box? You will get a DJI Smart Controller over here, which is awesome to use outside. And I'm pretty sure if anyone used before, it's very easy to use, very easy for any to use. And also we have a battery, right, which you need to fly, obviously, to power it on. What else do you need to fly? You need your propellers, which you have 2 pairs of your propellers right here. We also, in the box, we also have the adapter to charge, the USB-C wall plug, and let's not forget the payloads, which is the speaker, spotlight, and as well as the beacon, which can be attached on top of the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise very easily. So let's take a look and talk about more about what's unique about this aircraft. So this DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced has dual imaging, so it has 2 sensors. The sensor on top over here is a thermal imaging sensor, and below is a visual camera which takes your RGB photos. So this enables you, because it has 2 sensors, it enables you to see either in visual or in infrared thermal imaging, either side by side or on its own one by one. So it's totally up to you, and that gives you flexibility during your missions, whether it's for search and rescue or even inspection missions. So about this 48 megapixel visual camera, so 48 megapixels, that's a lot of pixels, gives you a very crystal clear vision, very high resolution camera than any other thermal drones. So it captures all the details that you need during your missions when you're doing your inspection, and it supports up to 4 times lossless zoom. And on top of that, it also supports a staggering of 32 times digital zoom to help you to get the shot that you need at a safer distance. About the thermal imaging camera, this one is pretty much similar to the original Mavic 2 Dual, but with some upgrades. So the important upgrades are the higher resolution. Now it's at 640 by 512 resolution thermal imaging to help you to make quick decisions on site, and it supports RJPEG as well as radiometric measuring. This thermal imaging supports up to 16 times digital zoom and at about 30 Hz refresh rate. So this comes in handy really during your search and rescue missions or any inspection missions that you need to do. One more thing about the thermal imaging camera is that its accuracy is about plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. Let's not forget, the DJI aircraft comes with multitude of sensors, optical sensors all around the aircraft, all around the body to help you achieve a safer flight. So that we have the 2 front sensors over here, the top sensor, side sensor, rear sensor, and the bottom sensors over here. So this omnidirectional sensing helps you to provide a higher, safer flight so that your drone does not crash into any obstacles. OcuSync 2.0, well, unique to DJI is their proprietary radio transmissions technology called OcuSync 2.0. So it's supported by this drone. By using the smart controller, your radio transmission feed, the live feed, the video feed that you see on your screen live, will not have any disruptions. The latency is very low, and it maintains a very high quality downlink to let you to see what your drone sees in real time in high definition. So in terms of flexibility, well, we all know that the Mavic series are very easy to, it's very compact, very flexible, and it's all foldable, and all of these equipment, all of these items can be fit in this solid briefcase over here, which we also recommend to use because the briefcase keeps your drone in a very good condition and protects the drone for the long term. That's all I have for you today on the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced. My name is Alvin. I'll see you in episode 2. Remember to stay safe, sanitize your hands, wear your mask, and don't forget to follow our social media channels. Thank you.